Hi, I'm JR, and with me here today I have Kern.
Hi, and we are here today to share with you all about the SkillsFuture Festival 2022 event happening real soon.
So Kern, what is the SkillsFuture Festival all about? And can you tell us a little bit more about the background?
Started in 2018, the SkillsFuture Festival is a 6 weeks annual event that takes place all around Singapore, and we are excited to bring to you a whole variety of learning activities, both physical as well as virtual.
And in the past 2 years, there have been a little bit of challenges in terms of organizing events, restrictions here and there. So with most of the restrictions easing, how has the planning changed for you guys this year?
For this year, we're really excited to bring back the physical activities on site to our participants, to you. So what we are looking to have is we have a whole variety of roadshows and activities at malls near Suntec City, Plaza Singapura, as well as in your neighborhood. And on top of that, you can also participate in a wide variety of hybrid and virtual webinars from the comfort of your own home.
So basically we've covered all bases. There's no reason for you to not be able to join us this year actually. So Kern, can you share with us a little bit more on how the event planning actually comes about?
We usually take about 6 months at least to start planning for the event. And we work closely with our partners and training providers to bring these events to life. So some of the partners that we have in mind will include Starbucks, Apple, NTUC, National Library Board, as well as Smart Nation, amongst many.
Alright, and on to recommendations. Kern, can you recommend our viewers maybe 3 events that will be really interesting to check out at this year's festival?
For starters, you should really check out the SkillsFuture Roadshow that's happening at Suntec City West Atrium. This is a one-stop avenue for you to learn all about the SkillsFuture initiatives and support required for an individual as well as a company. For the second event, head on down to WorldX that's happening at Lifelong Learning Institute. For fresh graduates who are really interested to know what are the career options available for them, this is a great event for you. Last but not least, head on down to the SkillsFuture Festival Coding Cafe happening at Vivo City Atrium to learn all about the iOS development industry in Singapore, as well as what are some of the in-demand skills and training opportunities you may require for the digital economy.
How can someone start with our lifelong learning journey then? What would you recommend them to do?
To start your lifelong learning journey, just simply head down to any one of our physical roadshows that's happening around Singapore during the SkillsFuture Festival. You will have direct access to all the SkillsFuture resources, as well as on-site consultations and advisors from our partners and training providers.
Okay, so on to the most important part. Where can our audiences find out more about this year's SkillsFuture Festival?
You can find out all about it in the hyperlink below.
And if you need more information and latest updates, do follow us on our social media platforms. You will get the latest updates over there.